Hi guys, showed you I bought this microscope off AliExpress the other day. There's the packaging. Digital microscope. I bought it because I spotted BigClive.com using one the other day, and I thought that looks handy. So I went on AliExpress and ordered it, and it came relatively quickly. So it's in my postbag video dated the 27th of March, and I have used it to have a look at something I took apart the other day, and when I used it I spotted there's a bit of a problem with it. We'll just turn it on and do the basics to begin with. Okay, it's on. It has a fixed focal length. Let's just change our brightness a bit. Okay. Yeah, fixed focal length. If I lift it off the surface, we lose focus straight away. So that's a bit of a problem if you want to look at a circuit board that's got lumpy bits on it, because as soon as you go on there, you're lifting the edge because it's going on the components and you're losing focus. So we're all right there. But if I go on top of the next bit, we're out. Actually, that's not too bad because I'm able to tilt it. But if I held it up flat, we're losing the purpose of having it, which was to be able to focus on things. Which is a bit of a shame, yeah. Those diodes are out of focus. If I can get down between the components, but then we can't actually get to the component we want to look at. Yeah, it's not as good as I'd hoped. We have a problem. And by coincidence, Big Clive has just uploaded a video tonight, which is the 31st of March, where he's taken his apart, had a look inside, because he's looking to see if there's any way of changing the focal length. So I'll give a link to his video in my video description so you can have a look at it. I've just noticed there's a line on the screen there. I don't think that's coming out on the camera. That looks like a row of pixels have already died. Is that going to come into focus? No, it isn't. Just about there, you might see green and yellow. So it looks like there's a line of pixels going already. Okay, well, we've only had it for 5 days. Right, well, what I'll do is I'll go through some of the features anyway. So I think Big Clive's covered them briefly. One thing he probably won't cover is there's 2 games on it that you can play. Right, let's do the simple things. On-off button. Okay, so on. That light there changes the LEDs that are used. At the moment it's cold white. Can we go somewhere where we can actually look at something? Let's turn that over. Okay, that's cold white, which my camera is struggling with anyway because it's too bright. Can we darken that down a bit more? That's a bit better. Okay, so that's cold white. Press it one more time, warm white. Press it one more time, and that's actually ultraviolet. Ultraviolet. Cold white. Sorry about that. That was a bit bright, wasn't it? Warm white. Ultraviolet. Going back to cold white again. Okay. Press the on-off button and we go through brightness. Obviously my camera's trying to compensate for that anyway. So that was on-off, bright, on-off, LED selection and brightness. Then down here, USB-C to charge it, and you can also plug it into your computer, laptop, or whatever, and use it as a camera. So I could be recording that directly onto my PC using whatever you want to call it, a camera program. Just here, I've got an SD card in there. So with this button, you can record a picture of what you're looking at, or you can record video of what you're looking at. Oh, and there's a little hole there for resetting things. Then over here, we've got up and down for zoom in, zoom out, which again you can't really see because that's gone too dark. Sorry, too light. Okay, a bit better. So okay, got an OK button there, which we'll explain in a minute. And over here we got a menu button. So press the menu button and go darker again. Yes. So we can select game, resolution, language. Let's go down through them. We won't do game yet. And we'll try and stop the camera getting bright again. Can I lock that off? That should have locked it off there. So resolution, OK button. And we can select 1920, 1080 or 1280, 720. Press the OK button again. Step down, language. Yeah, we won't bother going through all that. We'll leave it on English. Oh, press the wrong button. You nearly heard one of the other languages then. Screen brightness. That is the brightness of this screen, not what you're actually looking at. So, oh, what are you doing? Oh, it's showing you the brightness. Oh, well, let's leave that on a little bit darker. Back to the menu. Okay. Step down again. Yeah, that is better on the camera, isn't it? Audio and key sound. What does the audio do? Oh, that's probably the start-up tune and that sort of thing. And key sound. Press the button. Yeah, that's got rid of the key sound. Put that back on again. Screensaver. Do we have a choice of screensaver? Nope, just time. So we'll leave that off. What's next? Auto off. Turn itself off when you're not using it. Date tag. So we'll leave that. So that's obviously when you're taking photos and that, it'll put a timestamp on it. Format your memory card. Time setting. I've just been through and done this. So it is saying 31st of March 2026. Obviously use the up and down arrows to go up and down. 2026. Okay. It's actually 2300 now, so I'm 15 seconds out there. Let's go up one. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, so we've reset the time. Reset system we don't need to do. And that's telling you the version number of whatever software's on there. And that's it. Oh, haven't played the games, have we? Nope, up there. Games, okay. Okay, box pushing. Use the 4 buttons to move the little guy around pushing boxes. Oh, got that right straight away. So that's right and left, the bottom 2 buttons. That must be up there, yeah. Down, left, yeah. Right, down, down. Okay, you win. Next level. Okay, I think it's the camera button to go back. Yes. Gluttonous snake. I think we can guess what that one is. Oh, anybody who's old as me and played the old games. Okay. Here we go. So how do we move? That's, oh yeah, it's moving that way. Up, up, left. Oh yes. Down. Oh, I think if I held it down, it would keep going. We want to go right when I get to the bottom. Got that right. Up. Oh, what did I do then? Oh, I went down instead of up. Okay. Oh, failed. Gonna miss. Got it. Oh. Failed. Okay, so that's the games. I don't expect Big Clive will bother showing them. But I'll put a link in the video description. You can have a look at Big Clive's video because he's doing the full teardown. And I'll put the instructions on the end of this video so you can have a look through them. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.